Hello guys, it's Om Kare and welcome back to the with Om. Today we will be covering C language basics. As I'm a second year student, just enter second year, I decided it will be better to make a video on C language basics. So let's start. First of all, I would like to cover the header file, the main structure of the C programming language, the basic structure which is completely necessary for any C program. So this is a basic program for printing hello world in C language. As you can see at the top, there is the include studio.h header line, where the studio.h is the standard input and output library of the C language, from which we invoke the main function, the void parameter, and the printf. The printf is not necessary. It's this can stay blank, but just to represent how the overall structure is, I write the printf function. And also, it is quite observed that hello world program is very start program of any programming language. So I thought it would be best to include this hello world program here. Here, this void, one sec. As you can see, this is the include which is used to include the studio.h library, which is used to generate the basic to get the basic parameters of the C language. Before continuing, I would like to cover that the C is a procedural language. That is, it goes from process to process, and in this language, the basic parameters like printf and all that stuff isn't default included in the C language. We have to include those parameters. There is also another library. For example, there is another library for string, specific library for strings, like that for these main functions, main, void, printf. There is also so for that studio.h is used. Here, void, like if you don't want to include any integer value or string value, character value, which will be written from this main function, then void can be used. The void means here this function doesn't pass any parameters, any values to another function. Anything happens, this happens only in this main function, where the main represents the main body of our code, and any function in C language is represented using this this curl, this columns. this brackets, okay, and this is the curly brackets, which denotes the start and end of our function, where printf denotes the print keyword, which is used to print our hello world. Also in printf we also use these brackets, and in that double inverted comma is used to represent a string, multi-word string, multi-character string, and this semicolon is used to denote the end of our specific line of the code. Without this, the compiler will shoot an error. So this is our basic hello world program. That's it for today's video, and if I get time, if it's possible, I will cover the C fundamentals, such as very basic fundamentals like creating a variable or assigning a value to variables, getting input from the users, or if-else condition statements or switch statements. I will cover them one by one in future videos. Thank you so much for watching.